Good morning everyone, this is Peter Iosif, analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 11th of December. New RBNZ Governor and New Zealand dollar US dollar spikes. Mr. Adrian Orr has been named new RBNZ Governor for a term of 5 years. The appointment ended any uncertainty about RBNZ's new governor, and the kiwi reacted positively to the news. Mr. Orr will be governing RBNZ for a transitional period, as the bank will be given a dual mandate for inflation as well as employment, instead of the single mandate for inflation which it had until now. On the kiwi side of the pair, the New Zealand dollar and US dollar could be influenced further from incoming fresh data from China this week. New Zealand dollar US dollar rose by roughly 30 pips on the news during the Asia morning. However, it remained within the boundaries of the sideways movement since the 24th of October, with the upper limit being set at 0.7 and the lower limit at 0.67. Should the good news continue, we could see the pair breaking the 0.6920 support limit and aim for the 0.6950. In case the bears take the driver's seat, the pair could break the 0.6870 barrier and aim for the 0.6820 support zone. US dollar recovering. The US dollar recovered since Friday's minor hit after the release of the employment report. Moving forward, the market is expecting Wednesday's rate decision from the Fed. A rate hike is widely expected to 1.5% from 1.25% currently. The course of the US dollar may be influenced by incoming financial data such as the US CPI and PPI for November, due to be released tomorrow, Tuesday, 1 day ahead of the Fed's decision on Wednesday. Euro dollar on Friday rose by about 22 pips on the release of the employment report and continued to trade on slightly higher grounds. Our opinion is that the pair remains on a sideways movement with an upper limit of 1.1960 and the lower limit being at 1.1550, which began on the 14th of November. Should the bulls take the rein, the pair could break the resistance level of 1.1820 and aim for the 1.1880 resistance zone. Should the bears take the driver's seat, the pair could break the 1.1725 barrier and aim for another test at 1.1680. Today's highlights. From Norway we get the CPI rate for November, and as for speakers we have the Bank of France Governor Francois Villeroy. As for the rest of the week, on Tuesday we get UK CPI figure for November, on Wednesday we get the Fed interest rate decision, US CPI for November and UK's unemployment rate, and average weekly earnings for October. On Thursday, we get the Bank of England rate decision, the ECB rate decision, Australia's unemployment rate for November, Germany's and Eurozone's preliminary manufacturing PMIs for December, UK and US retail sales for November, and finally on Friday, we get Japan's Tankan Large Manufacturers Index for Q4 and US industrial production for November. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and circle us on Google+ to get more trading ideas. This is Peter Iosif, analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.